Hello, children. Again, I am there with Social Studies, Chapter 6, Class 6, Rural Administration, Civics. Now, our next topic and a new topic is rural administration. Okay, so we are going to study in this about rural administration. Like, what is rural? Rural means village, and administration means how the work in the village goes on. Village, gaon, administration, prashasan, shasan, prashasan. So how do the work in the village goes on? In the previous chapter, we already have studied about the Panchayati Raj. We have seen the political system of the village, that how the people are being elected over there, and then now in this chapter we will see that how the work goes on in a village. In every video lecture, we start a video lecture with the introduction. So in this also, we are going to start the introduction of the chapter. And previously, we have studied about the government, then key elements of a democratic government. Then we have studied about Panchayati Raj. Now we will see that how the work goes in a rural village, or you can say in the villages. About all these things we will study in this chapter. Now, if we talk about introduction, if we talk about India, India is a country. Then in country it is further divided into states. Then states it is further divided into district, and districts and further divided into villages. So India, we are going to study about India as I have told you about the villages. Now we are going to study from the root level, rural level, root level. Okay, about the administration. Now, what is like the things we are going to study? Taking care of the needs for water, electricity, road connections is not a small task. Now, if we talk about this thing, that taking care of the needs, whose needs? The people needs for water, electricity, road connections, all these things. It is not a very small task. It is a very big decision to be taken. The next is land records have to be maintained and conflicts to need to be dealt with. Now in the village, first of all, like land records have to be maintained. They should know that whose land is this, and all these things are to be noted down in some register, and these type of records are to be maintained. Now in this chapter we will study about the two pillars. Like first is the land records to be maintained, and second is of the conflicts, where the conflicts are to be resolved, or where the conflicts end. All these two main things we will deal in this chapter. Therefore we can say that rural administration is very essential. It is a very important part, because in this we are going to study about the administration, and therefore to study about the administration we have to go to the root level, that is from the rural level. That is why rural administration. Therefore rural administration, as I have told you, is very, very essential. Now, what are we going to study in this chapter? What are the topics which we are going to cover in this chapter? A quarrel in the village. There is a fighting scene going on in the village, that I am going to tell you a story, as you all love to hear the story. So there is a story of the village, and it is a quarrel scene going on in the village, that I am going to explain you. Area of the police station, work at the police station, maintenance of land records, and a new law. All these things we are going to study in this chapter. Okay. Now a pic you can see on your screen. This pic is of a scene of a quarrel going on in the village. You can see the two persons over there standing in a position as though they are quarreling among themselves. Quarrel means ladai, jhagda. So this is going on. Now there's a quarrel in the village. A quarrel in the village. Now there are two persons, Mohan and Raghu. Now these two persons, they both are living in the village. So this quarrel is going on among Mohan and Raghu. Mohan versus Raghu. Now their agricultural field is separated by a small boundary called a bund. Now they are having an agricultural field suppose this field, this type of field they are having. This is agricultural field, and again, and both the lands, they are being separated. Now you can see these two lands are there, and these two lands, they are being separated by a line which is known as bund. Okay, so this is an agricultural field. One field is of Mohan, one is of Raghu. Now, Raghu is a very influential person of that village because his relative is the sarpanch of the village. Now, from the word sarpanch, you might have remembered the thing which we have studied in the Panchayati Raj. The sarpanch is the head, or you can say the president of the village, and so he is a very influential person, and he's having a very powerful position in the village because his some of the relatives, they are sarpanch of the village. So what Raghu has did actually his field was this, and he was already having a big piece of land, and Mohan was not having that much piece of land. And what he did, he and this band, or which in other words we say in different places, like in MP it is being said as Munder made. So this he had shifted a few feet more, like it was here, now it has been over here. So now what happened, now Raghu got more land and Mohan's land become less. So this was the real reason of the fighting, the quarreling. So the agricultural field is separated by a small boundary called a bund, which we have seen. Raghu had shifted the bund by a few feet. I have shown you over here also. Managed to take over some of Mohan's land as he had shifted this bund a little more. So now he had taken this much part also of Mohan. This part is also of now Raghu. So now this is a quarrel, reason for quarrel, as I have told you. Now what happened then? Mohan, he decided to talk to. He decided that he is going to talk to Raghu. But as I have told you that Raghu is a very influential person. He is having powerful position in the village. So he was like afraid of talking to him. But still he managed to talk to him. He went to his home and he said that Raghu, you have taken my land also a few feet. That is wrong. And then what Raghu did, he said, no, I have not taken. And he called some of his helpers over there, and those helpers have beaten Mohan over there. Now land also Raghu has taken, and he had beaten Mohan also. So now Mohan was badly hurt on his head and hand. This was very bad, which had been done to Mohan, and the villagers were seeing all this. Mohan was having one friend who was in post office, and he was somewhat literate. He talked to Mohan and he said that you should go to the police station. Now see, all this scene was going, and now like I'm connecting the things with the topic. Like now what will happen, Mohan will go where? He will go to the police station, as we have studied over here that in the very first line that conflicts do need to be dealt with. That means conflicts need to be resolved. So now this conflicts with the second pillar of this chapter have came over here. The conflict is going on between Mohan and Raghu, and it is being solved where? Is going to be solved where? In the police station. By the time, stay home, stay safe. Do read the topic once again. Thank you.